In a quiet research room, a field biologist closes her eyes and identifies dozens of bird species solely from wingbeat tempo and rhythm. Her talent rests on years of listening, mapping subtle wingbeat frequencies to species, a skill profitably used during misty dawn surveys. She proves accuracy even when dense foliage muffles calls, relying on cadence, acceleration, and pause patterns that trained ears alone can hear. This rare ability has guided conservation efforts, helping teams track endangered populations without invasive catching by matching sounds to known flight signatures. Her work shows that listening, meticulous pattern recognition, and patient practice can turn ordinary birdsong into a powerful scientific tool.